Hi, I'm Eva James with the University of Florida Polk County Extension, and today we're harvesting loofahs.
So many of us are familiar with loofahs, but one thing that a lot of us tend to overlook, or maybe not even know, is that loofahs are a member of the gourd family, and you can easily grow them in your home Florida garden. Loofahs are warm season climbing vines, and they come in two common species in Florida. We have the angled loofah and the smooth-fruited loofah. And before the rough interior develops, you can even eat juvenile loofahs. As for removing the plant, it's very simple. Just take a pair of clean, sharp cutters and snip right at the vine. This loofah is a great example of what they look like when they're ready to harvest. So basically, you want to make sure that it has a brown, crispy, dry exterior. And yes, you can still harvest these loofahs even when they're green, but one thing to check for is a gap of air between the loofah skin and the fibers on the inside. Or you could so choose to just let the loofah dry off to the side somewhere in a dry place. So now we have our loofah, and right here you can see where the flower once was, which eventually gets pollinated and turns into the loofah gourd. It's also a great place to start your opening cut, which you can see here. Again, I am just using a pair of regular pruners. And it feels pretty dry on the inside, so we're going to make an incision right up to the top of the gourd where it was growing from the vine. So then basically you're just going to peel away the skin or the exterior, and as you can see here, it's very fibrous on the inside, and there's our loofah. Simple as that. Now, depending on how long your loofah was on the vine, it could take more or less effort to get off the shell. I kind of lucked out today, so it didn't take too much work, but you never know. And I'll give you guys a good look on the inside. There are the seeds. Beautiful. Alright, let's take it to the next step. We're going to need a bowl or bucket to get these seeds out. Of course, you could just do this on any hard surface, but I like to use something to catch them because if not, they will fly everywhere. For this part of the harvesting process, honestly, you just have to give it some good hits. And of course, the more dry your loofah is, the less hassle it will be to get all the seeds out, but don't be afraid to use some force to empty the loofah. And voila, you have seeds. And be sure to leave these seeds out in a dry space for 1 to 2 days before you consider planting them. Also, a lot of them have a film over them. You want to remove that in order to help with germination. Here's an example of a green Luffa gourd that I harvested, again showing it can be done. It actually came out way easier than the other gourd, but with this one you will have to keep in mind it's going to be wet. And with all loofahs, be sure to rinse off any excess fibers, and if they need drying, set them out for 1 day to 2 weeks depending on when you harvested it. And then once this is done, congratulations, you are the proud new owner of a loofah, or loofahs, depending.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you have any more questions or need information on our local programs, please check out the links below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. As always, happy gardening.